Hey, good morning everybody. We're here in Middletown today. We're doing a sewer repair. A couple days ago we tried to snake out the sewer lateral over here. Got out about 40 feet and couldn't really go any farther. So we're going to dig it up and see what we find. So it looks like what we have 6-inch clay tile, and you can kind of see that root growing right into the joint right there. So our guess is that that's the problem. We're going to expose a little bit more and break it open downstream and see if we can't get it to clear. So this looks to be the main culprit. The same joint as before. You can see the roots growing in there, and they basically create a veil that stop all the solids from getting out. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the pipe here. We already cambered out to this point, so we know it's good up to here. Going to install the clean out and keep putting new pipe in. We got new PVC pipe about 5 feet off the curb, all the way up to that original blockage point. We got our clean out in, and what we're going to do now is we're going to jet the pipe, just because it's got some dirt and debris that got down in there. Just make sure everything is perfect. And there's a little bit of roots on the street side, so we're going to jet it just to get rid of them, and the customer should be good to go. All wrapped up today. We finished up replacing the section of sewer line. Everything is good, got it inspected. We're all backfilled now, and you can see the finished grade. Put down seed and hay on every job. Everything's flat, smoothed out, looks good. So for anything septic, sewer, or water, 860-500-9130, Drainworks Plumbing and Septic.